Hello everyone, my name is Alex and today we're gonna be playing some Solar Smash. So yeah, we're gonna be smashing some planets. Okay, now once this game loads, you'll see this is our beautiful planet, planet Earth, where we get all of our, where we live for free here. I mean, if you don't count people taxing our money, so yeah. This country anyway, I want to destroy China. Let's destroy China. You know the best way to destroy China? You destroy them with the fucking rocket. Let's send a rocket. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, damn. Wait, let's pause. That's like Fortnite, the live event with the orb in the middle. Damn, bro, that's nice. Look at this. Look at this. Everything gets sucked up. Boom! God damn, bro. We killed China, but also killed my country in the process. But we don't care. At least we killed China and Russia. And now the US has no problem to deal with it. Wait. There's something going to the US. Something launched. And... I think it hit Minnesota. I don't know. Guys, look, it's Brazil. Brazil, there's crazy things that happen in Brazil. Especially this alien invasion that happened in Brazil. Wow, Brazil is about to die now, I guess. Wait, let's pause, go into free cam mode. See that? Look at that. See this alien? Brazil, you see that alien? You're about to die, Brazil. Let's go see it. Let's go see their death. There it goes, guys. Brazil about to die. Damn! Brazil no more! Brazil is no more. You cannot send anyone anymore to the Brazil. Now the aliens have gone. That's cool. Anyway, let's go back to default. As you can see, it blew a hole right into our solar planet. I think that's right. Anyway, see this? Africa survived. That's cool. But also Europe, especially this. Great Britain is very epic at being cold. So you know what we wanna do with Great Britain? Let's make it cold. Now the place is great. We're cold. And Africa, we love Africa. Alright, yeah, I guess that's it. We killed the entire universe, except for Chile. So, here. Dead. And yeah, so, there's no longer any pollution. Let's go! We're also gonna go into other worlds. Let's go to, I played this game a lot. This is Star World. You wanna know what happens in Star World? You wanna know, guys? Alright, and cool thing about this game is you can do this. So let's just crash ourselves. Nah, we're not. They're changing our thing. And what we wanna do, we wanna send this. Yes, attack the orb so that the entire planet is destroyed. They're firing. They say fire. See these aliens? Also, that was rared out. You might have not heard me. But see this cool epic monster? We go again to aim. We can be the cool scary monster. Burn him! Burn him now! This is a post-war where chess players are dead. We have to burn them all. Come on now, bro. We have to burn them. You know. But the alien can also sacrifice himself for another. Like, look at this. Time to die, boys. And he just dies. Let's make this easier than it has to be. Time for a freaking big ass supernova. Wait, I can't tap on it. Hey! Supernova! See, wait, let's go free cam. See this in slow mo. See this? That's the sun exploding. And when the sun explodes, it releases high amounts of gases into the entire solar system that can destroy literal planets. Look at this. Let's stop the slow mo. This planet's about to die. Rip planet, watch it explode. Bam, in a star too. We have crushed the planet. No more planet. Also, I'm gonna stop it here now because, I wanted to make this quick. Expect a chess video. So, yeah. Also, there's gonna be 2